Platinum was discovered by pre-Columbian South Americans and was taken to Europe around 1750. The name comes from the Spanish word platina, which translates to little silver. Platinum has a beautiful silvery white color. It is a dense, malleable, ductile, and precious transition metal. It is one of the most valuable metals in the world. Platinum's wear and tarnish resistance characteristics are part of what makes it so good for making fine jewelry. Platinum is more precious than silver. The price of platinum, like other industrial commodities, is more volatile than gold. In 2008, the price of platinum ranged from $774 to $2,252 per ounce. During the periods of sustained economic stability and growth, the price of platinum tends to be much as twice the price of gold, whereas during periods of economic uncertainty, the price of platinum tends to decrease due to reduced industrial demand, falling below the price of gold. Platinum's atomic number is 78. It has an atomic weight of 195.084 grams per mole and a melting point of 1,768.4 Celsius and a boiling point of 3,825 degrees Celsius. Its density is 21.46 grams per cubic centimeter, and its phase at room temperature is a solid. Platinum is resistant to corrosion and is sometimes found in nickel and copper ore. Platinum has 6 naturally occurring isotopes: platinum 194, platinum 195, 196, 98, and platinum 190 and platinum 192. Platinum is known as a noble metal. The concentrations of platinum in the soil, water, and air are very small. In some places, deposits can be found that are very rich in platinum, mainly South Africa, the Soviet Union, and the United States. Platinum is produced from platinum ore or native platinum deposits. Primary mining areas are Urals in Russia, Canada, South Africa, Colombia, and Peru. The annual worldwide production of platinum is around 30 tons. Platinum, together with the rest of the platinum metals, is obtained commercially as a byproduct from nickel and copper mining and processing. During the refining of copper, noble metals such as silver, gold, and platinum settle at the bottom of the cell as an anode mud, which forms the starting point for the extraction of platinum metals. If pure platinum is found in placer deposits or other ores, it is isolated from them by subtracting impurities. Because platinum is so dense, the lighter impurities can be removed by simply floating them away in a water bath. Platinum also has a rather high melting point, so many impurities can be melted away without melting the platinum. Platinum is used in jewelry, crucibles, special containers, catalysts, dental crowns, anti-tumor agents, and to make standard weights and measures. It is also combined with cobalt to produce very strong magnets. This metal is also used for coating missile nose cones, jet engine fuel nozzles, all which must perform reliably at high temperatures for long periods of time. And platinum, when mixed with other metals, holds it very well. There's a lot of research currently being done on platinum because platinum bonds are often applied as a medicine to cure cancer. The health effects of platinum are strongly dependent upon the kind of bonds that are shaped and then the exposure level and immunity of the person that is exposed. Platinum as a metal is not dangerous, but platinum salts can cause several health effects such as DNA alterations, cancer, allergic reactions, damage to organs such as intestines and kidneys, bone marrow, and hearing damage. Platinum and metal products are not known to create many environmental problems. However, platinum is emitted into the air through car exhaust that use leaded gas. Consequently, platinum levels in the air may be higher in certain locations like garages, tunnels, and trucking companies. Platinum's effect on animals and the environment has not been researched quite yet, but we do know that platinum will accumulate in the roots of plants after uptake. Whether platinum-containing roots do any harm is not yet clear. Catalytic converter platinum consumption in developing nations is becoming an increasingly important factor for the platinum market. Most of the world runs on diesel, a fuel that works best with platinum catalysts. Countries that 2 decades ago might have had little, if any, environmental legislation now have restrictions for auto pollutants in place. While there has still been some loss of automotive catalytic converter market share due to the use of palladium, current palladium prices have reversed this trend back towards platinum. Implementation of Tier 2 standards in North America and requirements for diesel engines in Europe will bring further growth in platinum demand. Catalytic converter legislation is also spreading quickly in Latin America. In the past 5 years, the nation with the largest economy in this region, Brazil, and the nation with the fastest growing economy, Chile, has both passed legislation mandating catalytic converter use. Hong Kong, Malaysia, Singapore, Taiwan, and Thailand have all passed legislation enforcing domestic catalytic converter use within a decade.
Symphony that's live, trying to make ends meet. You're a slave to money, then you die.
Platinum is being used in a rapidly increasing array of products around the world. Investment demand by individuals around the world is rising. Many are attracted to the vastly improving fundamentals in the platinum market. In rising markets, platinum normally develops a significant premium over gold. Platinum has historically tended to be more expensive than gold because it is considerably rarer and has more expensive and irreplaceable applications.
No change, I can change, I can change, I can change.